In order to turn on or turn off the mobile data saver on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, first we need to go to the security app. Then over here, what we need to do is scroll all the way down and swipe up in order to open the toolbox. And then here you should be able to find data usage. Next, you can swipe over here in order to choose your SIM. So in my case, I'm gonna select the SIM 1, and then we can tap on set data usage limit. And here we have the monthly data, so we can provide the value. Let's say I'm gonna set up 5 gigabytes as an example, and then we have the data limit set up. In addition to that, you can choose what should happen when the data limit is reached. So by default, we can warn and turn off mobile data, or we can just show the warning message, and that's all. Then we also have the warning level, where we can choose when we want to be informed about the soon reached data limit. And then we can also reset date, or actually we can choose when we want to reset the usage limit, so on which day of the month. And that's pretty much it. So over here now, if you set up the data, then over here at the bottom you have the set data usage text instead. We can, I believe, tap here. No, we cannot. So go to the settings here in the top right corner, and then as you can see here, we can enable and disable the data usage. So we can go to data plan in order to edit the data limit, and then you can also enter the data usage and manage the data warning over here. So here we can set up the daily data usage. So this one over here, the data plan was for monthly limit. And if you go to the data usage warning after enabling, I believe, the data plan, you can set up the daily data as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!